few years after Apple's splashy entrance into the spatial computing arena, the Vision Pro is back, and this time it's been supercharged. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Vision Pro may look nearly identical to the original on the outside, but inside, a different beast entirely. The new Apple Vision Pro now runs on the ultra-powerful M5 chip, replacing the M2, and it's transforming every interaction. App launches feel snappier, visual sharper, and the Mac Virtual Display now looks like it came straight from a sci-fi film. Combine that with Vision OS 26, and suddenly you've got a headset that feels not just futuristic, but freakishly amazing. A glance and a pinch is all it takes to navigate your digital world. While the spatial immersion like games, movies, 3D photos is still jaw-dropping, it's the redesigned dual-knit headband that may be the most underrated hero. You can wear the hefty headset for hours without the dreadful face fatigue. Apple listened to our concerns, and it looks like they heard us. But even after all the M5 muscle and ergonomic finesse, one thing hasn't changed: the eye-watering $34.99 price tag. In a market about to get crowded with VRs like Samsung's Project Muan, Apple's refusal to adjust pricing feels bold. The Vision Pro still leads in premium build, interface magic, and immersive experiences, but it remains a luxurious piece of tech that's still waiting for a wider audience. And despite Apple Intelligence features and a dazzling persona-based FaceTime experience, it doesn't fully has the AI perks others are promising. Still, when you wear it, you'll feel the future refined and powerful. The Vision Pro M5 is Apple's best spatial computer yet, but is it ready for the masses? Not quite yet. For how long would you have to save to get this luxury? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.